If it don't work today, it ain't gonna work.
Skylar, you look uglier every time I see you on this fucking camera screen.
You guys got the gargle shorts on.
Really? Fucking peanut butter man right here. In the flesh.
Good morning, guys. It is day 2 of Early Goose season here in Wisconsin. Yesterday morning, we did pretty good. The first, 30, 45 minutes, we had quite a few birds finish like right in our face. So we're hunting a little bit smaller feed this morning. There was about 60 to 80 birds in here last night. So not really a great hide. They were sitting right in the middle. We're gonna see if A-frames in the middle is gonna work today. Jim says it will. If it doesn't, I'm selling my A-frame. So stay tuned. We'll see ya in a little bit.
Start back. Right in our face? Yeah? No. Yep, go. Start back. Right in our face? Yeah? Yep, go. Right side, we can just right side.
Kill that one.
Right.
Hold it, hold it.
Yep, go.
Someone kill that one.
Hey, nice shot. That was a fucking 3 for me, baby. Nice. Yep.
Kill that one. Someone kill that one.
Got it. Hey, nice shot. Yep, go.
Someone kill that one.
Got it. Hey, nice shot.
Yeah.